Guys, this is an unboxing process for these little tablets that I got from Amazon. Received this today, came back home, so it has arrived, and let's see what is inside the box. I hope it's not a time bomb though. So looks okay there, the camera. Let's see what we've got in here. Separate it. There you go. I've got the USB data cable and the charging adapter with the USB interface, and I've got the tablet itself with a protector here, and the warranty card to valid your 18-month extended warranty. Register your product at Zaith app. So that's another thing I've got to register. I've got a claim bonus, the free sleeve, and I've got the manual as well. And as I said, this is one of the reasons why I bought this particular tablet. It has the micro USB, the HDMI, the full-size USB, and the micro SD slot. Really fantastic. Let's look at the interface here. Now this is kind of dangling, I don't know why. I think it's meant to be like that so that it doesn't drop off. So I've got the micro SD, I've got the power interface, the USB, the HDMI interface, and I've got the data port as well, and the headphone. Really nice, looks sleek. Just want to see what the performance is going to be like. Just want to say Zaith. See if I can power this on. The power button and the volume up, volume down. Let's try to turn it on. Let's see what we've got here. Not sure if it is charged. Alright, there you go. I think it came charged. Let's see what we've got. Well, you can get this from Amazon. I got this from Amazon myself, and I think I got it for around that £88. Let's see what we've got. It's kind of taking long to load here. I don't know what I need to click. Alright. It says get started. This is the startup process. Welcome. English United States. I'm in UK. I think it's better I change that. I'm kind of used to US English essay. I'm just gonna stick to that anyway. Well, the touch response is not really working well for me here. I don't know what's going on. Is it the battery or something? No, I don't want Espanol. I want English. Well, that's one thing that I've just discovered now. It seems like I need to work on do some settings in regards to the touch response. Let's see, get started. And it says get your tablet ready to go. How would you like to set it up? Keep your apps and data restored, a backup, whatever, set up as new. Don't mind doing that. Now I've got it connected to the Wi-Fi. I popped in my password, connected, no internet. For what purpose? I don't know. Alright, it's connected now, adding few finishes. And then we're back at Zaith again. Don't know if I have to click anything here, I just need to wait. Okay, Android is starting up now, optimizing storage. I think it has about 16 gig internal storage. I want to start up as new. Why is it taking me back to this? Set up your checking network. Go past the stage. It shows here that I'm already connected on the top right there. Now, as you can see, I've just unboxed this stuff now and I'm setting it up. And you're seeing the first-hand experience of what I'm experiencing here. To the same page. I've got no idea what is happening right now. Hi, as you can see, this tablet is suffering from factory defects. It's a Zaith tablet. I bought it from Amazon. Turn it on, try to set it up for the first time, and it is just not working. It keeps on rolling back to the main screen, and the touch response is not working. It's not configuring properly, so I had to return it basically. It was quite disappointing. I thought I'll be able to get this for my son to play with, but and also for me to use it, but it's just not working as expected. It has a lot of data interface there that you can use. That's one of the reasons why I bought it, and also the fact that it can connect to two wireless frequency. That means it's dual band. It can connect to the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz as per the description. The RAM is quite low though. It's just 1 gig of RAM and 16 gig ROM inside of it. So basically, as you can see, I'm just going back and forth trying to configure the wireless network, select language, roll back to the main screen, and it was quite frustrating. And well, the good thing is that I had to return it back within the first 2 weeks of purchase. So uh, this is the hazard that I experienced, or the chaos that I experienced during this unboxing process. I'm not sure if I want to go for this particular product again. I'll probably be going for Samsung next time. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're planning to buy this particular tablet, you may want to write to the vendor before you purchase it, just to make sure they don't send you something that has a factory defect like this. Thank you very much.